Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to make the text bold style on your Microsoft Office web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to make the text bold in Microsoft PowerPoint, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, select the text that you want to make it as bold. For an example, here I just going to select as Microsoft PowerPoint web, and now you will have this option on the home option, and here go to the font or right click on your mouse. You will find this option B, which is make it as bold, or you can also turn it. If you don't want those, you just want to turn it off for the Microsoft, you just want to select the thing and just turn off the same thing, just click on the bold, that it will be automatically turned off. So you can use this for any font. You can just turn it on bold or not. It's easier to make it on. You can select everything and just click bold, automatically turns to the bold, and you can turn it off whenever you want. This is how you just create a bold text on your Microsoft PowerPoint web. I think this video helped. If you did not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.